Hello everyone, my name is Ramira Sepkanor. I'm currently a student from Telkom University and major in accounting. In this video, I would like to share my final assessment from my technology literacy course where I will explain the implementation of blockchain-based accounting system. Throughout this video, I will discuss the key features of this innovative technology, its numerous benefits, and how it can transform traditional accounting practices. So let's dive in together. So, the rapid advancements of technology has transformed various sectors, including accounting. Through my technology literary course, I have gained some valuable insights into several emerging technologies, such as disruptive technology, Industry 4.0, and the IoT or Internet of Things, and also blockchains. Among these, blockchain technology stands out due to its potential to revolutionize how financial transactions are recorded and managed. The reason why I chose to focus on blockchain technology for my proposal because it offers innovative solutions that can significantly enhance productivity and uh, transparency in accounting practices. So the traditional accounting system are often plagued by issues such as data manipulation, lack of transparency, and inefficiencies in transaction processing. These shortcomings can lead to increased operational costs, heightened net risk of fraud, and difficulties in regulatory compliance. Blockchain technology presents a transformative solution by offering a decentralized and immutable ledger that enhances the security and transparency of financial transactions. So implementing a blockchain-based accounting system can streamline processes through automation and smart contracts, significantly reducing the time and cost associated with manual record keeping and reconciliations. Furthermore, this technology can provide real-time tracking, uh, can also fostering trust among stakeholders by ensuring that all parties have access to the same unalterable data. So, by proposing a blockchain-based accounting system, organizations can not only improve their operational efficiency but also position themselves competitively in an increasingly digital economy, where transparency and security are paramount for maintaining stakeholder confidence. So now that we've discussed the importance of implementing blockchain technology in accounting, so let's delve into the key features of the proposed system that will revolutionize our accounting practices. So the first up is the decentralized ledger. So by utilizing blockchain technology, we create a decentralized ledger that records all financial transactions in real time. This means every stakeholder, be it accountants, auditors, or clients, has access to the same information simultaneously. As a result, discrepancies are minimized and trust among all parties is significantly enhanced. Next, we have smart contracts. So these are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly within the code. So when predefined conditions are met, like receiving an invoice, this contract automatically execute transactions. So this automation eliminates the need for intermediaries, streamlining processes uh, such as invoicing and payment processing, which saves time and reduce costs. And then let's talk about the enhanced security. One of the standard features of blockchain is its cryptographic capabilities. Each transaction is encrypted and linked it to previous transactions. Uh, this robust security protects sensitive financial data from fraud and unauthorized access, ensuring that our financial information remains safe. And then moving on to the real-time auditing, with the blockchain, auditors can gain transparent access to all recorded transactions at any moment. This capability uh, allows them to verify transactions instantly, drastically reducing the time and costs typically associated with traditional auditing process. Finally, we have integration with IoT devices. So by connecting IoT devices such as sensors used in inventory management or asset tracking to our blockchain system, we can automate data entry related to these assets. This integration ensures that financial reporting is based on accurate real-time data, further enhancing the reliability of our accounting practices. And then After we've explored the key features of our proposed blockchain-based accounting systems, let's discuss the numerous benefits that comes with its implementation. So these advantages not only enhance a personal efficiency but also position organization for future success in the accounting industry. First and foremost, we have increased transparency. With blockchain, all stakeholders can view transaction histories in real time. This level of transparency fosters trust and accountability among parties involved. Everyone has access to the same information, which significantly reduces the chances of disputes and enhances collaborations. Next is improve efficiency. So by automating process through smart contracts, we reduce manual intervention in transactions. This automation accelerates transaction times, allowing businesses to operate more swiftly and respond faster to market demands. And then we have also have enhanced data integrity. So the immutable nature of blockchain ensures that once data is recorded, it cannot be altered or deleted without consensus from all parties involved. This feature provides a high level of confidence in the accuracy and reliability of financial records, which is crucial for compliance and auditing purposes. And then last but not least, we have cost savings. By reducing uh, reliance on intermediaries such as banks and third-party auditors and streamlining auditing processes, businesses can achieve significant cost savings. So the reduction in the administrative overhead and faster transaction processing and translate directly into improved profitability. And then we uh, reach the conclusion. So the implementation of a blockchain-based accounting system represents a transformative opportunity for accountants and enhanced transparency and security and efficiency in their practices. Embracing the blockchain technology is essential for accountants seeking to remain competitive in an increasingly digital landscape, ensuring that they are well equipped to meet the demands of modern finance. And then that's all. Thank you so much for watching my presentation. I hope you gained some valuable insights from my explanation. And I'm sorry if I have some mistake in my words. Once again, thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful day. Thank you.